Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new challenges and adventures. Take a look at this 2020 Dodge Durango SRT 392 in Destroyer Gray. With bi-xenon HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch matte vapor aluminum wheels, high-performance brakes, black roof rails, adaptive cruise control with stop, tow package, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, only 1,210 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, 19 Harman Kardon amplified speakers with subwoofer, rear seat video system, second row 60/40 folding seats, power sunroof, 6.4-liter V8 Hemi engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5540.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.